Understanding proof of execution in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and uncover the meanings behind some of its most interesting phrases. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, proof of execution. This might sound a bit formal or even legalistic, but by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it means and how you can use it in both everyday and professional English. Let's start by breaking down proof of execution into two parts. The word proof refers to evidence or verification that shows something is true or has happened. Execution, in this context, doesn't refer to the end of life but to the act of completing or carrying out a task or plan. So, when we put these words together, proof of execution essentially means having evidence that a task, plan, or action has been completed as intended. Proof of execution is a phrase you might encounter in a variety of settings. In a legal context, it could refer to documentation or evidence showing that a contract or agreement was fulfilled as agreed upon. In a business environment, it might mean providing evidence that a project was completed, a product was delivered, or a service was rendered. In everyday use, though less common, it could apply to any situation where you need to show that you've done what you said you would do, such as completing a task for a friend or family member. To use the phrase in a sentence, you might say, "The client requested proof of execution for the completed marketing campaign," or, "We need to provide proof of execution to show that the installation was carried out as planned." Understanding and using the phrase, proof of execution, is important because it helps in ensuring accountability and trustworthiness. In professional settings, it's crucial for validating that obligations have been met, which can affect partnerships, legal standings, and reputation. In personal contexts, although the term might be less frequently used, the concept remains relevant for maintaining trust and reliability between individuals. And there you have it, a closer look at the phrase, proof of execution. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning and the context in which it can be used. Whether you're navigating the professional world or simply want to enrich your English vocabulary, understanding phrases like this one is a step towards more effective communication. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Remember, learning English is not just about memorizing words and phrases, it's about understanding how to use them in real-life situations to convey precise meanings and intentions. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to reach out in the comments if there's a particular phrase or aspect of the English language you'd like us to explore next. Happy learning!